Hey guys, Andreas here, your conversion dude. In this video, I want to show you how you can easily increase your conversions by simply testing. This way, you take out the guesswork and you actually figure out what works. So in the past, of course, we had Google Optimize, which was free and basically awesome to use. Now with Google Optimize being sunset, we have to use different apps. So after a lot of investigation and trying out different apps, I found one that I personally like and I use for my brands, and this one is called Intelligems. It's very simple to implement, especially for Shopify stores. So that's where I'm gonna showcase this today. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this. If you don't have Intelligems already set up, it's quite a simple process. You just have to go into the Shopify App Store and search for Intelligems, and then just go ahead and install the app. Once you are inside, what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to install the script, which of course I already have done in this example store. So the way you go about it is you just simply go ahead and copy the script. So I'm just gonna showcase this for you really quick. So the theme script you have to install is inside of the theme liquid file. And on top here, it's going to prompt you that you should copy the script. You have two options. One option is to natively embed it as an app, which Intelligems don't recommend because it's slower. Instead, you just go ahead and copy the script and install it before the closing head tag right here. So anywhere in between basically works. So once you have done that, you can go ahead and go into the Intelligems dashboard and create a new test. Now, of course, we have different tests set up. So if you choose the basic plan, price and shipping tests are not included, but for our testing purposes, we just want to do a content test. So basically test out different content on our online store. So that's why we're going to go ahead and just simply select content test. And now we're going to be prompted with different types of content tests. So we have a split URL test, is where we basically can build out different pages and use an entirely different URL. Then we have the on-site edits, which I always recommend for smaller edits. Then you have template tests, where you can basically go ahead and test different product templates, page templates, and so on. And then if you really want to dig into it, I always recommend to do a theme test. A theme test, basically what it does, you can test two different themes against each other. Why is that so awesome? You can basically build out two different online store layouts and test them against each other. As said, I always recommend these ones for heavier testing whenever you test bigger implementations, right? So for our test purposes here, we're going to go ahead and do a simple on-site edit test. If you guys want to see how to set up a bigger theme test, let me know in the comments and I will do a separate video on that. So I'm just going to select here on-site edits. And once that is opened, we're going to enter the test name. So we're just going to say homepage banner test. We're going to test the homepage banner. And here you're going to be prompted, what's your primary goal for this test? Is it either profit, revenue, or conversion? The only difference that this one does is just going to change your dashboard layout instead of Intelligems. It really doesn't change the test as per se. Then you click continue, and then you can name these different control groups. So you can basically say old offer, and let's say new offer, right? And continue. Now you can select your targeting, so which audience you want to target. Do you want to only do desktop or mobile or all of devices? Then you can even select between visitor types. You want to only target new visitors or returning customers. Then your traffic source, is it going to be direct, email, paid ads, organic search, and so on. So you can really narrow down on your traffic source here. And then of course, if you sell into different countries, you can limit that with countries as well. So then you can also, if you want to choose to do so, select your currency, or if you want to limit the test to a specific page only. In our case, since we're gonna do a homepage test, we're gonna do URL visited and just do this example stores URL, which is this one here. So we just don't have to do that. We just remove it and do that. So it's going to be homepage. And now we can go ahead and either directly inject custom scripts such as CSS or JavaScript. In our case, just to make it simple, we're just going to do a simple edit in the builder, which basically anyone can do. Then we're going to select our theme we want to edit it, which is in this case the live theme. And now we see we have, in this case, a different offer. Let me just select United States for testing purposes here and click save. It's going to reload the page. And now, for example, we can change the text we have here. We're going to go ahead and select our selector, click on the new offer. So we're going to test the new offer, which is our new test group, and can go ahead and just edit this text here. And we can just say new offer, right? Click done. And now you see it has basically saved that. Now we can click save here. And that's basically all there is to it. So you can change the text, the links, the images. So there are basically no limitations on how you want to run this test. You can also go ahead and edit, as said again, the JavaScript or CSS directly. So there are many different ways on how you can do this A/B test. And then basically just you want to verify that this test actually has saved. Just going to click update here. And now what you can do is just do a preview. So we have the new offer with the new offer. And then I'm just going to select old offer. And then we have our old text here. Now, when I exit the preview, and we also want to make sure, of course, this looks good on mobile devices. So what we can actually do is go ahead and preview it. And you can actually get a QR code for your mobile device. Or you just want to preview it on the computer as is. In our case, we're just going to do a mobile view. And again, you have the new offer. And I'm going to select the old offer again. And you see that the old text displays. And once you're done with that, you have verified that everything works. You can close the preview. And the only thing you would need to do is to click start here. And the A/B test has been started. So guys, this is how easy it is to set up an A/B test with Intelligems. I recommend this app a lot because it's one of the cheapest options out there. I also have a discount code with $10 off. The cheapest plan starts at $99. So if you want to use my code and save $10, let me know in the description and I'm going to send you that discount code. Hey, thanks a lot guys for having a look at this video and I see you on the next one. Bye.